Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video we are going to be doing my fall FabFitFun unboxing. I am super excited, you guys, because like every other basic white bitch, we love fall here. So I really hope that you guys are excited for this video as well. If you do enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I hope you're excited, and if you would like to see what I got in my fall FabFitFun box, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, jumping right on in, I do want to hit you guys with the usual fact. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription service, meaning that you get a box 4 times a year for each season. And so this, like I mentioned before, is my fall box. We are very excited. But I actually want to start off this video with the add-on portion of my FabFitFun box. So I told you guys in my past video, which I will link both my past boxes down below, that I was going to try my absolute hardest to take advantage of some of the add-ons because I hadn't been able to in the past. A tip for the add-ons is as soon as you can get on there, the earlier the better. As a member to FabFitFun, so someone who has purchased a year subscription, I get first priority, meaning I get to go look in at the add-ons before people who just buy individual boxes. But you do need to get there early because these things do start selling out quickly. And pretty much what the add-ons are different products that don't come in the box, but they're selling them to you at a discounted rate. So I was able to pick up some things. I did pick up 4 add-on items, and so I'm going to show you guys those first. So one of the first things that I picked up was this Velvet Caviar Phone Grip and Stand. This is what this looks like. It's in like a little moonstone thing, and you guys know this is kind of like a different version of like a pop socket. You guys, this was $5, which I thought was pretty good. Now obviously I don't know how it sticks and how long it lasts, and I haven't taken it out, so the quality of it, but for $5, I was not mad at purchasing it. So this was one of the things that I got. I also got this Scandinavia the Makeup Finishing Spray. I've always wanted to try this. Scandinavia is a very good brand. Their sprays are used a lot for like special effects makeup, and they rave about it for weddings. It's one of like the best setting sprays out there. This retailed for $9 as an add-on, which is absolutely amazing. I don't know how much it is originally, but for $9, unless it's a drugstore setting spray, you're not getting a setting spray for $9. Let me tell you guys that, because I know that my Urban Decay setting sprays are way more than $9. So I picked up this, and I actually did use this today. It didn't have a bad smell or anything, a good mister. I don't know how long it lasts. I'll update you in the bottom. Like I always do, if I try out the products before I upload it, which I try to try out almost everything that I use, I will update you on my thoughts down in the description bar, so do check there. So I will update you on the wear time of this, but I did use it today. I also got this little, I'm trying to pronounce it. It looks like Botanic and Beauty, I'm not sure, but it's a little blush serum. This is what the little packaging looks like. It's absolutely adorable. Does it have what color it is on there? It's called Mauve Dusk, and it's actually what I'm wearing on my cheeks right now. I did utilize this today. This also retailed for only $5, so I was like, oh girl. And I've honestly never used a cream blush before in my life, you guys. I typically just use powder blushes, so I figured this would be a good time to try it out. It was a really beautiful color. It's very subtle. It can be built up. I did notice. What I did was like push this onto my hand and then rub it around on my cheeks, and then I pounced it in with my beauty blender as well. I do not have any other blush on top of it. That's solely what it is, but I think it was really nice, and for $5, you guys, I'm not mad at it. It makes me want to look into this brand a little bit more and see what else they have to offer. But oh, and it says you can use it on your lips as well. Well, I feel like I missed an opportunity there, but I didn't read the container. I just used it as a blush. But yeah, you guys, so I did pick up this as well, and I really do enjoy it. It worked well even after I put a little bit of powder bit down when I wanted to build up the color a little bit more. That is a note I wanted you guys to know. And then last but not least, the last add-on that I did was actually the earrings that I'm wearing right now. I'm going to zoom you guys in really quick so you can see them. So these are the earrings that I purchased. They are actually from Bobble Bar, and these are called the Cindy Hoop earrings. These retailed for $14, and you guys, they are so stinking cute. They're little hoops that actually sit on the outside of your ear, and they have different shapes of like little gemstones all around, and they're actually like different types of little stones as well. So I thought they were so cute and added such a fun touch. I love earrings, but I love different earrings. I don't want to wear, you know, normal everyday boring earrings. So I thought these were super fun, and I've actually really enjoyed wearing them so far today because they just add a little something, but without like being too overwhelming or too in your face. So those were the add-ons that I got. So those 5 things cost me an additional $35. And the way the add-ons work is that you get billed for the products when your box ships. So obviously I prepaid for the box, and then I got billed the $35 extra when all my items shipped, and they came in a box. It's funny because I've never done the add-ons before, but they sent my FabFitFun box in a box with those in there as well. Normally the FabFitFun box comes to your door just like this, but because I got the add-ons, they stuck it in another box with all the stuff inside. So I really did enjoy that I got everything at the exact same time. Okay, so now moving into the actual unboxing portion. This is what the box looks like this time. I really like the colors because it is very appropriate for fall in my opinion. And then opening her up, don't get crazy. This is what the inside of the box looks like. So as always, we have our little booklet on top. Stay inside. Our little booklet on top. Ooh, that is Meghan Trainor. We like Meghan Trainor around here. You also have a little FabFitFun card in here. So this is ready for the most exciting event of the season. RSVP and see $15 off your first box. So I will put this code down in there for you guys. If you guys want to try out a box from FabFitFun, this is going to bring your box down to $34.99 instead of the $49.99 that it usually is. So I will have that down below if you want to try that out. As always, I will also put down some other codes that you can use from individuals that I really like, such as like Jessie Smiles or Whitney Simmons, people like that. So if you want to support someone else, then you can use their code, or like I said, if you don't want to give money to somebody else, I will put this code down there for you guys. I don't know how often it works for how many people, so it could be a first come first serve basis, but that'll be in the description for you guys. And then this is typically very normal to get in here, but this is a HelloFresh $80 gift card. But I'm going to put this code down in the bottom bar for you guys as well, in case you would like to try out HelloFresh with some money off. Alright, we're going to rip the paper. And we're going to open her up. And this is what everything inside the box looks like. First thing in here are these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. You get 6 eye masks in the container. This was something that I got to customize myself. I love eye masks. I love skincare. So this is what I chose. These retail for $25. I have used these before. I really do like it. They are actually like gold, you know, they're gold in color, and they actually do feel really nice underneath the eyes. They are very hydrating, and they are eye masks that you can walk around and sit up with. They're not the kind that, like, if you put them on, they start sliding down your face, so I really do enjoy these. So the next thing in the box is this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. This retails for $30, and it says pretty much that you don't rinse it. Okay, so this is like a leave-in hair mask that you don't rinse out. I wonder if it's not supposed to be sealed beforehand. I'm a little suspicious here if you ask me. It does have like a strong odor, one that like is not my favorite smell. My Way leave-in conditioner actually smells way better than this. I will give it a shot and let you guys know. I don't wash my hair a lot. I clearly don't style my hair a lot just because I don't want my hair to get greasy too quickly, because not washing your hair is amazing. I love being lazy. So I'll let you guys know on this. I may end up giving this away. I don't know to who, but I'll let you guys know. But anyways, that does retail for $30 like I mentioned. Next in the box is this Human and Kind body souffle. Ooh, this is vegan and cruelty free. This is something that comes in everyone's box, and this retails for $18. It's a blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Ooh, let us smell this. Okay, she doesn't seem to be super thick. Oh man. Ooh, we'll just use that all up the arm and on the other arm. This smells so good, you guys, and it's not one of those like oily things. I was nervous because I really enjoy more thicker lotions, just because I don't like that like greasy film that some you know, lotions can leave on your skin. This is not doing that. It's sinking in really nicely. It feels very good, and I really like the smell. I have these Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. This is what they look like. This is also something that everyone got in their box. These retail for $16, and pretty much it just says that you can use these in the shower. You guys know I'm all about a good exfoliator. The Monica Darwin we got either in my first or second box was everything. I used that up so quickly, so I'm excited to actually have another exfoliating product so I don't have to go out and buy one. These smell super, super good. Kind of like green apple-y. I really like them, so I will use these out, and again, I will let you know what I think of everything down in the description bar that I get to use. So I'm really excited for this. I'm excited that you can just like put it in your bathroom and leave it there like that and just pull one out whenever you need it. I wonder how long each cube lasts. I will test that for you guys, but I got that. Okay guys, so I did actually get another mystery item, and when you get a little mystery item, it comes in a little bag that indicates that this was the mystery of the thing that you chose. So I'm gonna set that on the floor. In here it says, you snooze, you lose. Trust us when we say this mystery will help you maximize those Z's. And it says it's retailed at least $42 or more. I will look up however much this costs and put it on the screen up here for you guys. But this is the Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty Detox Night Cream. I'm excited to try this out. I love serums. I love things that are gonna like keep my little, you know, fine lines and wrinkles at bay and provide radiance to the skin. I have literally never ever heard of this brand. Again, I will write the price up here, but you are getting 1.35 fluid ounces in the bottle. Moving right on along, the next thing in this box, this Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. Okay, so this was something I did choose for my own box. This says this is formulated with green tea, ginseng, and menthol. The pre-workout gel targets problem areas to give you tighter, smoother skin. This retails for $45 and you're getting 5 fluid ounces. That's a pretty good amount. It says, before any workout, apply to trouble areas like the abs, glutes, thighs, and arms in small circular motions and let the tingling begin. This could be super gimmicky, but I'm going to give it a try. You know, I'll try it on my non-existent abs and see if we get abs or something. I don't know. I've got this Cosmedix Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. There's nothing brightens skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% pure absorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. This retails for $54. $54. $54. Oh my damn. That is pricey. But then again, this is more than the overall total price of your box. So even just looking at this product, ignoring everything else we've got, this already pays for the box in itself. So just do keep that in mind. Moving right on along to the very last thing in the box, this is again something that I customize and that anybody could have gotten in their box if they chose to do so. But this is the Kate Spade Lunch Tote. This is what she looks like. It's just a cute little lunch box. This apparently retails for $30 and it does say out to lunch on it. Can you see that right there? How cute. I'm not going to lie to you, this is kind of small. I do eat quite a bit of food, so I don't know that this is actually going to benefit me and work for me. She's not very big. If I'm being honest, this looks like it could be more of like a makeup little tote thingy, like something like you could put like your cream products and stuff in, so if it spilled, it wouldn't get everywhere because of the lining. Oh, really quickly, you guys, by the way, I do want to mention what happened to me this round before I tell you the pricing. So with the Kate Spade lunchbox, I actually didn't originally choose that product. I actually had the option to pick this Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit. It was the whitening gel and an LED little light tray that you put in your mouth, and that was going to retail for $89.99. something happened after I actually did all my customizations and like had everything ready for my box, and I got sent an email for saying some reason that they weren't going to be able to ship that product out. Not necessarily just to me, they made it seem like it was something they couldn't put in this box, period, for anyone. I do not know why. I was excited to try that out because I do whiten my teeth. I use a much more affordable product to whiten my teeth, but I wanted to see what was up with it, how it worked. You know, I don't do anything with the LED lights, but you see a lot of influencers and things, you know, celebrity personnel using like the lighting up teeth trays. So I wanted to try that. That was my original choice, but for some reason I didn't get to do it, which is why I picked the lunch box. Okay, you guys, so my total retail value for this box was $320. That is the highest retail value of any box that I have received thus far. I am really excited about this, you guys, because the box only costs $50, and so $50 for $320 worth of products is not a bad deal by any means. Now, do not forget to check down in my description box because I am going to update you on all the products. I'm going to try them all out, and that way I can let you know if it was actually worth the $320 or if some of the products were total flops or not. You have FabFitFun. Let me know down in the comment section below what you got in your fall box, or if any of you guys have just tried any of the products that I received in my box. Let me know your thoughts on them down below. Please make sure that you stay tuned for my next FabFitFun unboxing, because that's going to be the video where I break down all my thoughts on FabFitFun, if I think it's worth your money, and if I am going to continue to be a FabFitFun subscriber or not. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, you know the drill. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button as well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!